participating in all these projects.
So, nandito po kayo sa una, Lola.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Lucille, and I'm with Mommy. She's Maria Dulce, or known as Lola Candy by Katie and everybody else. So she's an 87-year-old fat girl na super loving dalawa. So let me just read a
Thank
little.
you so much. Thank you so much, Lola Candy.
Picture taking po muna. Picture. Thank you very much. Next is Jada.
Kazumi.
Jada is fun to talk to and you can really feel how much she genuinely loves Katie Lex. She's not here in the Philippines right now, but she always finds ways to show her support to both Katie and Alexa. She may be low-key as a fan, but her love for Katie Lex is incomparable.
So, good evening everyone. Ayun. So, I have a message for you. And Alexa. Ayun. So, this is her message sa inyong dalawa na Alexa. Okay. Mahaba pa ang lalakbay ng inyong career at relationship ni Alexa. Anumang pagsubok at dumating, sana lagi piliin ang isa't isa. Dahil ang mga panang pinagdami OFW, kayo ang inspiration at kaligayahan. From Atin Zam Chabi, Tila Venezuela.
Kay ate siya.
Marami ka nang hinihilot. Dagdag naman sa collection mo.
Wait lang guys ah.
Also, I wrote a simple poem for you and Alexa also. This one. Next. Sana yung mabasa mo. Medyo magulo yung handwriting ko, pero sana mabasa niyo. Thank you. Thank you. Happy birthday, baby.
Go teacher Kazumi!
Okay, thank you so much, Kazumi. Thank you, Alexa and Kazumi. Now let's call on Tita Nolly from Team Panata. At Raven, Tita Nolly is a generous support of Team Panata. Tita Nolly's presence was everywhere in all Tita Lex projects. Her dedication for Katie is unmatched.
particular sweetheart from KIS. Ate M's flurry of activity was felt all throughout. You know she is always there, especially at important times. Once again, Miss Alice.
Pinakamahirap na task. Yung pagbibigay ng regalo sa'yo. May message namin for you. So, we have these. Choosing a gift for you that will express what we want to say was extremely hard. So, we decided to give a symbolic gift for each our wishes. So, the first one is last version. So, to heal you next. So, affect the whole things together in tough times. Then, let's see. Paper clip. Pinahirapan na talaga ako. Okay. So, paper clip so that you are always organized. Alexa will appreciate you. For sure. So, next.
So parang freshman siya.
Next is a star. So, a star you wish upon and pour out hopes and dreams. And next is a flower. So, a flower to remind you of the beautiful things and people around you. And, ano pa? Dami naman yun. Next is eraser or eraser. So, eraser, to erase all those things or all those little mistakes. And the last one is a heart. Wala akong ginawa na heart. So, a heart to remind you that you are and will always be loved. So, napakaraming nagmamahal sa inyo nila. Lagi mo tatandaan na happy birthday, ladies. This will always be with you and behind you, supporting you every step of the way. We are happy when you are happy, so please never take that smile off. You're beautiful.
Thank you very much, Miss Alice.
Yung buo. Ayun sa
Thank you, Ate Beth, from Indian Birthday Cards. Now let's go on. Apple. Apple is an athlete with a heart of gold of art and reviews. She's been a sweetheart for more than a year now and spread her for a subgroups project to help promote Eaglex Gala.
Hindi pa. Di pa ako sa Hindi, ngayon sa MTV. Siyempre mga sensors.
We are so proud of you. We wish you continued success, happiness, and good health. Again, Art and Lady, on behalf of Kennedy United Christian, we love you.
Thank you very much, Miss Apple.
Kailangan ko i-try. Kasi hindi naman siya, ano eh, kumbaga, card.
Next is Ate Mau. The sweetest sweetheart, despite her in the background persona, everyone knows she's always ready to help. Once again, Ate Mau.
I'll just make it short kasi for me, being popular this meeting steps forward, we'll be here to support you. And okay, this gift for you and Alexa, I've been in this company half of my life, so I'm giving, it's a part of
Oo, oo, oo. Hindi, matigil ko na ako doon. Yung mabilis sa safety. Pero kasi yung hydraulic, hindi naman bilis sa binibigay niya yung masusunod. Hindi, parang kumbaga power steering eh. Tapos yung kunyari nga sa Shimano, so, tapos meron din dito, ito.
Ay, ganda.
Sa preno, kasi ito yung preno, ganyan ka, di ba? Plus minus. Oo, tapos meron siyang nakatuktok. Parang pag ganun siya, di ba? Preno. Yung may button din siya sa gano'n.
Thanks, Ate Mel.
Alright, 1, 2, 3, smile. One more. 1, 2, 3, smile. Alright, 1, 2, 3, smile. 1, 2, 3, smile.
Grabe talaga yung pag nakakita.
Ngayon, baliktad na. Wala ka naman.
Pero sila lang.
Thank you so much, everyone. Okay, now let's go on Akulay. Lai has no borders, we call friends of many. He is a silent supporter of both Katie and Lex, but despite her silence, her contributions are always felt and seen.
That's from Akinai. Today, wishing you a birthday that is as wonderful as the person you are, and a year that's filled with love. This is really a happy new day, with joy and love from Akinai. And this is for all the solid babies. Pwede pa ah. For all the not sweethearts of the world, hindi na ako nagdaligan solid babies. Follow! And for me,
Daming heart.
Should take me, man. Baka ka naman. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po for all the members in the Senate.
Thank you so much,